Know that love can hurt sometimes, yeah. But when I'm with you, baby, time just flies.
YouTube, what is up? What's good with you guys? It's the Boul. Nate, shout out the Boul Nation. Hope y'all feel good and happy 4th day of VLOGUST. Man, y'all been loving the vlogs. Y'all been commenting. Y'all been liking. Shoot, yeah, we did the freaking live stream the night before. Hey, man, yo, VLOGUST is going on a good start, man. But y'all know about to say, hit that subscribe button. We get so close. Like, I don't know. I feel like we look up and down some days. We get subscriber, lose subscriber, get subscriber, lose subscriber. So I'm like, we gotta be more consistent. Shit, yo. Over 90% of y'all who are watching these videos aren't subscribed. So hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video to everybody that you know, that you like, that you don't like, that you're a friend of, that you're enemy of. Send the video. Just send the video. See what happens. Shoot, yo. Shoot, yo. You might be able to spin the blog. You never know. But into a more exciting action. Got a box. A lovely box here. So this is actually a sneaker unboxing. This is actually a Dunk Low unboxing. So I'm actually very glad about this because I've been striking out for like not even this year, past years too of Dunk Lows. Like Pandas restocked like 1,000 times, haven't gotten those. Out for the Jack Robinson lows and get those. It's been a bunch of lows that I've been trying to go after, nothing. But this one actually hit on, and I'm actually surprised I actually did because I'm like, it feel like this one was a colorway that I thought was probably a little bit more hype than it was, but it might not have been. But here it is. We obviously got a standard Nike box. Hold on, make this okay. Yeah, it says size 11. Y'all probably can see the colorway too. But yeah, like to be honest, like this is a shoe that I thought probably should have released a little bit earlier. To be honest, like earlier in the summer because of the colorway. But yes, ooh, my God, yes, sir. This is a pair of the. I think this is like the Bleached Chloral colorway. But oh my God, this screams summer. This screams Miami. Like just that light pink colorway with the green. Ooh, kind of like it kind of looks like a snakeskin pattern, but it's not. But oh my God, yo, this is nice. This is nice, yo, bruh. This shoe should came out like May. Like this shoe should came out early. Like this shoe should came out before summertime because this is literally the definition of a summertime shoe. You got a light pink. You got like a light, almost kind of bluish green in a way, and then you got the white. Ooh my God! Shit with the pink bottoms, bruh. This is insane. Hey yo, and then so you got the inside, got the, let's see, put this way. Okay, no, let me put this way again. All right, so you got like the Nike with the swoosh, same with the tongue, Nike on the back. But man, this is crazy. Like even the materials feel good. Like the leather feels good. Like if like the baby was just good solid leather, the toolbox is good. Like, yo, how this like? I feel like this shoe should have been more hype, but like I'm not sure because it dropped like later on in the summer or what. But I'm like, yo, this shoe screams summer, especially this screams of Miami. Like this is literally a South Beach-esque like colorway. Like it's literally like a white tee, shorts, bam, throw these on. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with that kind of fit. And like I said, like this is kind of like a snakeskin. Like, well, it kind of looks snakeskin, but it's not really like snakeskin actually. That'd been kind of dope. But then again, the sneaker probably been like 5 or 6 times the price. But yeah, man, dag. Shoot, the shoes kind of has like a I don't know what kind of texture this is. Like it's kind of like a I almost I was say carpet, but it's not really like a carpet texture. But it's like it's not like a normal like swoosh like material. But jeez, dude, really? I don't know. Shoot. Not the other thing. I'm like, shoot. Like, how I get blessed with this pair of shoes? Cause like I said, yo, like I've been taking L at the L at the L on every dunk. Like, to be honest, like I ain't gonna hold you. I haven't gone after every dunk. Every dunk has really been great. But on like every dunk I try to go after, it could have been hyped or maybe not even that hype. Nothing. So like I'm like, shoot. What one of these? I was surprised. I was like, hold on, what? I got these? Dang. But yeah, like this is literally like a perfect summer shoe, yo. Like this is like a perfect summer shoe, especially like a down south shoe. Like I said, like a beach shoe, like a Florida shoe, or anything like that, man. Just wow. And plus like this is my first dunk in like a minute. Like I might have had a pair of dunks when I was like younger, but since then, like, dang, this is crazy, yo. Like I'm kind of in awe. 'Cause I'm like, yo, this colorway is just sick. It's simple too, cause like, it literally just white mainly, and then you got the blue, pretty much like outlining the shoe. I like pretty much outlining the shoe here. Nice swoosh, and then you got like I like a white midsole, and they got the pink sole bottoms or like the washed chloral bottom or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, damn, this is nice. And like I said, like the shoe, the material feels good. Like it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's lacking anything. Like it feels sturdy. It looks sturdy. Looks good. Feels good on the back. Damn. Okay. This shoe right here is probably legit. So, I'm probably gonna try to get some quick on feet with these, and then yeah, that's it. But man, y'all love the video, get a thumbs up. Y'all want to see any more unboxings or hauls, just let me know in the comments. And I'll catch you next time.